So is your Instagram account not showing all the music it should be showing? Probably you are trying to make a post like this and you're unable to find this music you want to attach to your post. When you click on this and you click on next, where you have audio, you have to choose a music right here, and you get to search for a particular music you want to add to your post or to your video, and you don't find that music. I'll be showing you how to fix that right away. So all you have to do is just ensure you pay attention from the beginning to the very end, so I get to show you how you can fix it right away. So if you are new on this channel, my name is Troubleshooting. So and right here I talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you got value. So there are two ways to fix this. If you are having this issue, there are two ways to go about fixing this. So the first way to go about fixing it is by coming to where you have this three dash up here. So right here, come to where you have this account center. Can you see that? Once you click on account center, come to where you have sharing across profile. Can you see that? Sharing across profiles. So tap on that. So right here, choose your Instagram account, the one that is having that issue. So I'll select this second one. What you do here is, you see where you have automatically share your Instagram posts and your Instagram story. You want to turn that off. So once you turn these two off, it means that whenever you make a post, it will not share automatically to Facebook. You see, that alone can restrict the number of music you get access to. So this is the first thing you have to do. To fix this issue. So now let me show you the second thing you should do to fix this issue. So just go back. Once you're back right here, so scroll down to where you have creator, tools, and controls. So tap on that. Once you tap on that, then come over to where you have switch account type. Can you see down here? Switch account type. So once you tap on this, then right here you have to switch your account to a personal account. Do you understand? You have to switch this account to a personal account. So tap on switch to personal account, then tap on it again to confirm. Can you see? Switch to personal account. So this account has been switched to personal account. So if I eventually try these two things and it's not still working for you, then it could be one of these two reasons. First, probably your Instagram is outdated, so ensure you update your Instagram account. And second reason could be probably even with the personal account, probably Instagram have not gotten the copyright for that music. They need to get copyrights for every music they upload to their platform. So I believe you got value, guys. If you did, do it to like this video, drop a comment if it worked for you, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.